Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here. Shooting on the iPhone 17 selfie cam, of course, and I'm shooting in normal orientation that I would shoot in the car, which is having the phone turn to landscape. But the iPhone 17 has something called center stage, which allows you to shoot in portrait, hit a button, and it just widens out the whole shot, and you don't even have to change it to landscape mode. So I'm going to try to give you a good sample of that. So I'm going to stop and turn it to portrait mode and restart it and try to show you the difference between center stage and not using center stage.
Let's do this!
So now I've changed the phone's orientation to portrait, and of course many people shoot this way, but of course you can't get a very wide shot. But I hit one button, it widens out the entire shot. So if you're trying to shoot a group or you're with your friends and you shoot portrait like most people do, you hit that button, it widens out the shot, and it allows you to bring a much bigger scene into the phone without turning the phone at all. So this may or may not have been a good sample that I've showed you, but just trying to do my best to show you what it can do. And it can come in very handy. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.